Today, we're drawing He-Man from the Masters of the Universe. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel. Start with 2 big shiny eyes. Leave tiny highlight dots so he looks unstoppable and adorable. Add a tiny nose, then a happy open mouth. Finally, wrap it all with a smooth face outline like a soft U shape. Draw the bangs with pointy, chunky hair tips like little triangles, draping across the forehead. Keep them uneven so it feels lively. Add the side hair framing the cheeks. Use a few curved spikes that flare outward, instant chibi anime vibes. Now close the head with a big rounded dome. Keep it smooth. Chibi heads are basically marshmallow mode. Draw the right arm raised up like he's shouting, "I have the power!" Add simple wristbands with a couple of ring lines, clean and bold. Build the hand like a mitten first, then split into chunky fingers. Make the grip tight. This sword is not going anywhere. Now draw the grip that sits inside the hand. Make it a short rounded tube, then add a few curved wrap lines. Finish with a small rounded end at the bottom. Start with the middle piece first. Draw a tall block shape right above the grip. Then add the 2 side pieces, one on each side, curving outward like in the demo. Finally, add the small ring band between the grip and the hilt. For the blade, draw one straight center line going upward first. Then, draw the 2 side edges from the point down to shape the blade. Draw the chest armor plate as a chunky shape in the center. Then add the straps going to the sides. Simple angles, clean lines. Left arm goes on the hip. Classic, I'm the main character pose. Add wristband rings again to match the other arm. Draw a belt line around the waist. Then add a big round buckle in the center. Chibi rule, if it can be cute, make it round. Add the shorts with a fluffy zigzag edge. Keep the fur tips small and consistent so it looks neat. Draw short, chunky legs in a wide stance stable, like a tiny superhero statue. Add small knee lines for detail. Next up, let's do the boots. Start with the fluffy cuff at the top, using a soft, wavy edge. Then draw the boot body with a rounded toe. After that, add the sole outline with a thick line wrapping around the bottom. Finally, add the inside detail line to give the boot more shape. Now add a few details and you're done. And boom! Look at that! I love how this turned out. If you had fun, smash that like button and subscribe for more drawings. See you next time!